Ever been stuck choosing between a single 48-volt battery versus 4 to 12 volts wired in series? The 48-volt 100 ampere-hour lithium battery is designed for high-voltage systems, offering a large capacity of 5.12 kilowatt-hour. A single 12-volt 100 ampere-hour lithium battery supports Bluetooth monitoring and meets the needs of small devices, while 4 in series can form a 48-volt system. In today's video, we'll discuss battery options for building a 48-volt system. Let's compare the price, lifespan, and installation of 4 12-volt 100 ampere-hour batteries and one 48-volt 100 ampere-hour battery. First, let's go back to the initial question. Battery price is a key factor when making a choice. At first glance, the purchase price of 4 12-volt batteries seems cheaper than that of one 48-volt battery. But let's not forget that this is only the initial purchase cost of setting up the system. 12-volt batteries face more challenges when connected in series and parallel over time. For example, if you connect 12-volt batteries in series or parallel, you need to ensure that the batteries are of the same brand, with the same parameters, and as far as possible from the same batch. Otherwise, the usage and degradation of the batteries will vary. When one battery triggers its protection mechanism, the others may suffer damage. For 12-volt batteries require additional wiring, and the connectors must be rust-proof and securely fastened. Compared to the series parallel connection of 12-volt batteries, a 48-volt 100 ampere-hour battery allows for more organized wiring, eliminating safety hazards caused by messy cables. Additionally, it supports direct stacking and connection, optimizing space and reducing wiring costs. If you have greater power needs in the future, a 48-volt battery supports rack mounting to save space and offers a plug-and-play solution. So, when should you choose a 12-volt battery pack or a 48-volt battery? If your battery needs to operate under high loads for long periods and you prefer a hassle-free setup with a sufficient budget, it's recommended to choose a 48-volt battery for your 48-volt system. For example, a 48-volt battery is ideal for home energy storage. If you need to regularly support 12-volt devices, require a short-term solution, have clear expansion needs, and prefer a lower initial investment, it is recommended to use 4 12-volt batteries in series to build a 48-volt system. RV travelers may consider connecting 4 12-volt batteries. After this video, would you choose a 48-volt battery or a 12-volt battery setup? Feel free to share your usage scenarios in the comments.